Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly connect Gemini to Spotify on your iPhone or Android device. Google Gemini is a top-notch AI assistant that's designed to perform various tasks such as answering questions, writing emails, generating images on demand, and much more. Notably, you can also connect Gemini to Spotify to play your favorite songs and discover playlists for your mood. That's it. Let me show you how to easily connect Gemini to Spotify on your device. To get started, you have to launch the Google Gemini app on your iPhone or Android device. And then you have to tap on your profile located at the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to choose Connected Apps option to proceed. After that, scroll down to find the Spotify option and ensure that the toggle located right next to it is enabled. When prompted, make sure to tap on the Connect option to agree to the terms and conditions and give your consent, and you're all set. Now you can access and manage items from Spotify like your playlists, playback history, and preferences with utmost ease. Keep in mind that Gemini will share parts of your conversation and other relevant information, including your name, email address, and location information with Spotify, which may be used by Spotify according to its privacy policy. When Gemini uses other apps, your Spotify data may be shared if it's included in your conversation. Therefore, make sure to keep these important things in your mind while using this pretty cool feature. Now that you have unlocked this handy feature, make the most of it to spice up your Spotify time. And I'll catch you up in the next one.